Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed about multiplication of algebra. In the multiplication of algebra, multiplication of binomial multiply x minus 4 and 2x plus 3. Well, students, let us solve this problem. X minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Already told you in the last class. Idli plus vada, chutney plus sambar. Idli plus vada, chutney plus sambar. Idli into chutney plus sambar. Vada into chutney plus sambar. Here is idli is x into 2x plus 3 minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Idli, vada, chutney, sambar. Idli into chutney plus sambar. Vada into chutney plus sambar. X into 2x plus 3 minus 4 into 2x plus 3. 2x into x, 2x square. 3 into x, 3x. Plus into minus, 4 2s are 8x. Plus into minus, 4 3s are 12. After multiplying this, identify the like term. Once again, x into 2x plus 3 minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Once again, x into 2x plus 3 minus 4 into 2x plus 3. 2x into x, 2x square. 3 into x, 3x square. Plus into minus, 4 2s are 8x. Plus into minus, 4 3s are 12. 2x square minus 8x plus 3x. One is plus, another is minus. Subtract and write the greater number sign. Minus 5x. Minus 12. This is the final answer. Next, multiply y x minus y into 3x plus 5y. X minus y into 3x plus 5y. X into 3x plus 5y minus y into 3x plus 5y. X into 3x plus 5y minus y into 3x plus 5y. 3x into x, 3x square. 5x into y, 5y into x, 5xy. Plus into minus, 3x into y, 3xy. Plus into minus, 5y into y, 5y square. 3x square. Observe, this is xy, this is xy. Like terms. Okay, one is plus, another is minus. Subtract 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3 2. Greater number sign plus 2xy minus 5y square. Don't add this because these are all unlike terms. Next, a plus 7 into b minus 5. A plus 7 into b minus 5. That is again a into b minus 5 plus 7 into b minus 5. A into b minus 5. 7 into b minus 5. A into b, ab. 5 into a, 5a. 7 into b, 7b. Plus into minus, 7 5s are 35. Again, this is the one method, the same method continue. If you want to do this one, this type of problem may given for your examination because you are going to confuse at this stage. Because what you have to do in the previous problem, if you want to continue the same problem, you are going to do in the, you are in the difficult condition. Because AB as it is, add this one, not possible. Because this is B, this is A, these two are unlike the multiplication itself is the answer, the product itself is the answer, because you are not going to add, you are not going to add these two, because these are all unlike terms, cannot be added or subtracted. Next, a square plus 2b square 5a minus 3b. Okay, again the same process, a square into 5a minus 3b plus 2b square into 5a minus 3b. 5a square into a, 5a cube minus 3 as it is, a square as it is, b, 3a square b plus 5 2s are 10, ab square plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6, b squared into b cube. So this is one type of problem, this is another type of the same type, but this is, I already told you are not going to confuse at this stage. This is a, this is b, you are not going to add and subtract, because these are all unlike terms. And here is also, this is a square b, this is a b square. We are not going to add these or subtract, because these are all once again unlike terms, cannot be added or cannot be subtracted. Next, solve some more problems. A plus 7 into a square plus 3a plus 5. So again there is, this is another method, this is not in the last year, but this year in the new 8th standard syllabus there is a introducing this new concept, that is first term a into the whole trinomial a square plus 3a plus 5 plus 7 into the whole term trinomial a square plus 3a plus 5, a squared into a cube, 3a into a 3a square, 5 into a 5a, 7 into a square 7a square, 7 3s are 21a, 7 5s are 35. Now after writing this, what you are going to do, you have to observe which of the like terms here, a cube as it is. Like term 3a square 7a square, 3a square plus 7a square plus 5a plus 21a plus 35. A cube 7 plus 3 10a square, 21 plus 5 26a plus 35. Add all these, 7 plus 3 10, 21 plus 5 26. Again not added, are not going to be added, because a cube, a square, a constant. So this is another type of multiplication. Now a plus b into 2a minus 3b plus c. Same type. This is binomial, this is trinomial. A into the whole trinomial 2a minus 3b plus c plus b into 2a minus 3b plus c. 2a into a, 2a square. 3 into ab minus 3ab. A into c, ac. 2 into ab, 2ab. Plus into minus minus 3b into b, 3b square, b into c, bc. Now consider which are the like terms. 2a square, 3ab, 2ab, 3ab, 2ab. One is minus, another is plus. Subtract 3 minus 2, 1. Greater number minus 1ab plus ac plus bc minus 3b square as it is. So this type of multiplication may helpful for your future classes, for your 9th standard, 10th standard and some other classes. Next, a plus b into 2a minus 3b plus c minus 2a minus 3b into c into c. The question is simplify. The meaning of the word simplify. Multiply and make it simplify. How to simplify this? First, do the multiplication. A into 2a minus 3b plus c plus b into 2a minus 3b plus c minus 2 into ac into ac 3 into bc 3bc as it is. Okay, 2a into a 2a square, 3a into b 3 plus into minus 3 into ab 3ab plus ac plus 2a into b 2ab plus into minus 3b into b 3b square b into c bc plus into minus 2ac minus into minus plus 3bc. Now 2a square minus 3b square like the 3ab 2ab, one is minus another is plus, 3 minus 2 1 greater number minus 1ab. This one AC 2ac 1ac, one is minus another is plus, subtract 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 AC, or you write simply AC. Next BC plus 3BC plus BC 4BC, 3BC plus 1BC 4BC. Any left over? This one and this one. 3BC also already written. 2AC AC over this one. So like this is multiply and simplify. Check the answer. 2a square minus 3b square minus 1ab plus 4bc minus 1ac. Now we are going to solve exercise 6.4 problems based on this multiplication of binomial by binomial and trinomial by trinomial. 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. 2x plus 5. This is multiplication of binomial by binomial. 2x into 4x minus 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 3. 2x into 4x minus 3. 5 into 4x minus 3. 4 2s are 8. X into x square. Plus into minus 3 2s are 6x. 5 4s are 20x. Plus into minus 5 3s are 50. Next, observe which of the like terms 6x and 20x. One is plus, another is minus. Subtract. Greater number plus 20 minus 6 14. X minus 50. You have to remember this. Both are plus. Add and write plus sign. Both are minus. Add and write minus sign. One is plus, another is minus. Subtract and write greater number sign. One is minus, another is plus. Subtract and write greater number sign. Like this, we have to work out all the problem. That is the basic. That is the tool for mathematics. If the student knows the tool, yeah, he is able to do any mathematics because it is a very tool of mathematics. Next, y minus n into 3y minus 4. This is the same problem, multiplication of binomial by binomial. Y into 3y minus 4 minus 8 into 3y minus 4. 3y into y, 3y square. 4 4 into y, 4y, 8 3s are 24y, minus into minus plus, 8 4s are 32. Again 3y square, both are minus, add and write the minus sign, minus 4 minus 24, minus 24y plus 32. 2.5L minus 0.5M, 2.5L plus 0.5M. So these types of problem you are already learned in your 7th standard. 2.5L, A minus B, A plus B. This is one of the identity you are already learned in your 8th standard. This is the formula A minus B into A plus B. What is A minus B into A plus B tells us? A square minus B square. A minus B, A plus B. A square 2.5L whole square, 0.5M whole square. So there is a confusion for the student. 2.5 into 2.5. Remove the decimal. 25 square. 25 square. If there is a 5 here, I want to explain one more here. This is, you have to note down this very easy method. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. What is the number here? 2. 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 35 square. Again easy method. 5 5s are 25. What is the number here? 3. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 45 square. 5 5s are 25. That is what is the number here? 4. 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. 55 square. 5 5s are 25. What is the number here? 5. Next number 6. 5 6 are 30. 65 square. 5 5s are 20. What is the number here? 6. Next number 7. 6 7s are 42. It is there in the Vedic mathematics. It is also in the old syllabus in the 8th standard. So what is the number here? 25. So this is how many digits after the decimal? 1 1 1 plus 1 2. This is 6.25L square minus 5 5s are again 0.5 into 0.5. 5 5s are 25. 2 digit 0.25M square. You may do in this method also or by another method, general multiplication of algebra. You may do in that method also. Next, A plus 3B into X plus 5. A plus 3B into X plus 5. A into X plus 5. 3B into X plus 5. A into X plus 5. 3B into X plus 5. A into X, AX. 5 into A, 5A. 3B into X, 3BX. 5 3s are 15B. 5 3s are 15. Is it possible to add? No, because this is AX, this is 5A, this is 3BX, this is 15B as it is. Next one is 2PQ plus 3Q square into 3PQ minus 2Q square. 2PQ into the second term 3PQ minus 2Q square plus 3Q square into 3PQ minus 2Q square. 3 2s are 6. P into P, P square. Q into Q, Q square. Plus into minus, minus. 2 2s are 4. P as it is. Q squared into Q, Q, Q. 3 3s are 9. P as it is. Q squared into Q, Q, Q. plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6 q square into q square q to the power of 4. Is it possible to find the like term? 6 p square q square 4p q 9p q 1 is minus another is plus subtract greater number sign plus 9 minus 5 p q minus 6 q to the power of 4. This is very important problem. Next problem, this is somewhat different. 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Look here, 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square into 4 into a square 4a square 4 2s are 8 by 3b square 4 into a square 5 4 square 4a square 4 2s are 8 by 3b square 4 by 3 a square into the whole term 4a square minus 8 by 3b square plus 3b square into 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. So 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. A squared into a square a to the power of 4. A square into a square a to the power of 4 by 3 plus into minus minus. 8 4s are 32. 3 3s are 9. 8 4s are 32. 3 3s are 9. A square b square. This is a square into b square a square b square plus 4 3s are 12. A square b square. A square into b square a square b square plus into minus minus. 8 3s are 24. B square into b square b to the power of 4. Once again 8 4s are. So you may do like this also. Multiplication 3b square into minus 8 by 3b square. Here 3 and 3 cancel because you are going to multiply this one. First multiply for this one, next multiply for this one. That is 3b square into minus 8 by 3b square. 3 3 cancel minus 8 b to the power of 4 minus 8 b to the power of 4. See what happens here. These two are like term. You have to stop at this stage. If you want to continue, you take 9 as the LCM. 9 goes to this place. 9 12s are 108. A square b square and subtract and write up to your level. You may continue or you may stop at this stage. You get good marks. Next problem. Find the product of 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. The same multiplication 5 into 3 plus x minus 2x into 3 plus x. 5 into 3 plus x minus 2x into 3 plus x. 5 3s are 15. 5 into x 5x. 3 2s are 6x plus into minus minus 2x into x 2x square 15. Or you write like this. The method of writing with the algebra from highest power to the lowest power is called standard method, that is minus 2x square. One is minus, another is plus. Subtract and write the greater number sign. 6 minus 5 minus 1x plus 15 is the method. Next, x plus 7y into 7x minus y. Continue. x into 7x minus y plus 7y into 7x minus y. X into 7x minus y, 7y into 7x minus y. 7 into x, 7x square. X into y, xy. 7 sevens are 49. X into y, xy. Plus into minus, minus. 7y into y, 7y square. 7x square minus 7y square. 49 minus 1. Here is 49, here is 1. 49 minus 1 plus 48xy. One is plus, another is minus. Subtract and write the greater number sign. So some more problems. A square plus b into a plus b square. A square into a plus b square. B into a plus b square. A square into a plus b square. B into a plus b square. A square into a cube. A square into b square, a square, b square. A into b, ab. B into b, b cube. So this can be written as a cube plus b cube plus a square, b square plus ab. Next, p square minus q square into 2p plus q. P square minus q square into 2p plus q. Same time, p square into 2p plus q minus q square into 2p plus q. P square into 2pq. 2p square into p, 2pq. P square q. P square into q, p square q. Minus 2 as it is. pq square. pq square. Plus into minus, minus q square into q, q cube. This is the final answer because this is 2pq. This is q cube. This is p square cube. That is pq square. They are unlike that. We are not going to write this one. Write as it is. Next, simplify. Now we are concerned to simplify. Simplify x square minus 5. X square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. So do the second general multiplication. X square into x plus 5 minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. X square into x, x cube. 5 into x square, 5x square. 5 into x, 5x. Plus into minus, minus 25 plus 25. 5 into x, 5x. Plus into minus, minus 5x. Plus 25 minus 25 cancel. What is it here? X cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is x square minus 5 plus x plus 5 plus 25. X square into x, x cube. 5 into x square, 5x square minus 5x plus into minus, minus 5 5s are 25 plus 25 plus 25 minus 25 cancel. X cube plus 5x square minus 5x. A square plus 5 b square plus 3 plus 5. So a square into b square plus 3, 5 into b square plus 3 plus 5. A square into b square plus 3, 5 into b square plus 3 plus 5. A square b square plus 3a square plus 5b square. 5 3s are 15 plus 5. A square b square plus 3a square plus 5b square. 15 plus 5, 20. So we have multiplied and simplified. The problem is the headline is simplify. First we multiply and then simplify. It is the easiest method of multiplication of binomial by binomial, binomial by trinomial. In the next class, we are going to solve some problems. After that, we will pass on to the very important concept of the mathematics called identity. Students, what you are going to do? You have to work out all these problems in a sheet of paper. That is the homework for you. You have to work out all the problems. And this is the tool of mathematics. You have to write it on your room, on your board, or in any material, any sheet of paper, and you have to add all these. That is always take it in your mind and do all these problems in a sheet of paper and send me WhatsApp, and we are going to correct this how you are solve this problem. Don't copy, try to do yourself. Okay.